Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to generate invoice report using Google Sheet, Google Docs, and some Appscript. So I've created some tabs on Google Sheet. For example, setting tab. Okay. In setting tab, I just entered the name of a business. Okay. My business name is test. I give test. Okay. And this is the name of the document ID. Okay. And this is the account holder name, account, and account details. Okay, now I go to the customer. So customer ID now one, customer name is Ajay. Uh, this is the name of address, name of a street, postal code, city name, country name, email address. Invoice is for now invoice ID one. Invoice number is 678910. Okay. And this is a PDF link. Invoice ID. We need only four as of now. So I came here, generate PDF for active invoice row. Click it. Okay. Now I got this link. So this is the name of a business. Name of address, state number, and house number, email address, phone. This is the tax number. Okay, okay. Now I describe the product. Like we have got test description. Okay, this is the line item. Yeah, it looks quite good. Invoice. Okay, if I want to download it, I can download it. This it looks quite good. Invoice. Okay, however, there are some need to change it because it's mostly in English and this is in German, so that is not a big concern. Main concern is the format. Okay, so yeah, thank you very much for watching this video and have a nice day.